So we'll talk a little bit about some of the other vulnerabilities. But before we do that, Aaron, you were going to mention a specific case.
Yeah.
Without obviously going into the.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I mean, the examples, it's not. So it was a conveyancing transaction. Someone's purchasing a property. So we've acted where the victims lost their money in this type of transaction. I'll explain that through in a moment. And then we've helped them either recover the money through a claim against a bank or against their lawyers for negligence because they've allowed the cybersecurity breach to happen through a lack of that kind of end-to-end controls process. Okay. So what would happen here is someone will be undertaking a purchase of the property. A cyber criminal will interpose, get involved in the email thread, set up rules to change direction of emails. They will impersonate the law firm. They will spoof an email address. They will impersonate the lawyer and then tell the client, we're changing bank account details, transfer the money for the purchase to this other bank account, not the bank account details we gave you before.
Right.
And that's happened on too many occasions in our sector. And in this instance, an individual lost £445,000 purchasing their property through making a series of transactions. The banks didn't do enough to protect them. Financial Ombudsman, through some work we did, has compensated them for the full amount of their loss. But when we're thinking about security, a part of the way I look at it, it's not just about the education you give to your people and your team. You've got to educate your customer users, your clients. So I think it's really important. As I was saying about the suppliers, that's really important as well. Anyone you work with needs to understand, or they need to give you assurance. But we need to tell our clients there's so much ability out there for criminals to impersonate, or the skill set is so good. They need to be on top of the risks as well and those alerts. And so I think a part of a law firm security program should be also how do you educate your clients to help you spot the risk? Because sometimes the risk is really subtle and they're the ones who can help you.